Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to add endnote and footnote in Microsoft Word document. So let's take a look how to do that. Here is a Microsoft Word document and I would like to add endnote and footnote. How you can do that? It's really easy and simple. First of all, if I would like to insert in this Word document some endnote, for that I'm going to put my cursor here, keep my cursor here, and then I'm going to click here reference, and then I will get here insert endnote. So if I click there, it will appear here, and whatever endnote I would like to add in this Word document, this section, I can type here. So I'm going to type here tips and trick, and if I put my cursor here, I will see that endnote will appear. Also you will see there will be a number, and let me add another endnote. Same way, I'm going to select this end of this word, and then I'm going to click reference, and here insert endnote, and here I'm going to type whatever endnote I would like to set in my Word document. So you will see there is an I2, and here if I click over there my cursor, if I put my cursor over there, it is appearing my endnote. So let's see how you can also add footnote in Word document. It's really same section, same thing. So I'm going to add footnote. For that example, I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to same section reference, and here you will find insert footnote. If you click here, it will appear footnote. Whatever you would like to add any footnote, I will see there will be a footnote, and you will see that will be a 1. So I had typed my footnote here, and it is appear here the whatever footnote I add before. Let me add another one. Same way, put the cursor and then click on insert footnote and type whatever footnote you would like to add. So this is how you can add endnote and footnote in your Microsoft Word document. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.